Lesson 1. AI Anxiety. Honesty, Margaret, 54. 22 years at the same company. One meeting, an AI tool did in 90 seconds what took her a day. She felt for the first time like she might be left behind. If that's familiar, you're not overreacting, you're paying attention. Roughly half of working adults share this exact concern. You're the majority, not a struggler. The goalposts moved while you were busy living your life. That's not a personal failure. This isn't just a skill gap, it touches identity. Your career was built on being the person who knows things. Now a chatbot seems to know things faster. That's worth naming honestly. Claude is genuinely impressive. It's also genuinely limited. It gets facts wrong with total confidence. It has no real judgment. And it knows nothing about your specific clients, your office politics, or your industry's unwritten rules. The fear that AI will figure it all out and I won't be needed doesn't survive contact with actually using it for a week. We'll prove that starting next lesson. Open your workbook. Finish this sentence. When I think about AI at work, what I'm actually afraid of is big anxiety is stuck. Specific anxiety can be solved this month. You survive steam, electricity, computing, the internet. This is the fifth wave. People who meet change with curiosity, not panic, come out more valuable, not less. Every time. Be strong and courageous. Don't be afraid. Today is a good day to start, and lesson 2 is where we start proving why your experience matters more, not less.
Complete your anxiety audit, 3 sentences. Keep the page, we return to it in lesson 8.
AI anxiety is normal and widespread. You're not behind. Claude is impressive, but genuinely limited. We'll get specific soon. And naming your fear specifically is the first move towards solving it.